This is Mrs. Cooches again with the second video in our series about FAST. We have already logged in using the guest login and set our test settings for the color background we want and so forth. Here we're going to look at the help guide very briefly. It's great. There's a lot of information here showing you what all the buttons on the test mean, and you can just scroll down and read about each one, but we're going to actually look at them in the test. So I'm going to go ahead and say begin test now. This is the first question in the third grade practice test, practice reading test. So you can see the passage is here, the question is here, and all my tools are up here. If I'm moving to the next question, there's my next button. I can save, although I don't need to because the test automatically saves. If my teacher tells me to pause my test, I would do that here. I can take notes and say, I don't know what color the cat is. And then I'm going to save that. And when I look later, it's still going to tell me the cat is orange. I have a line reader, so I can use one line at a time if that helps me. I can use the arrow button and just go down as I read. That doesn't help me. I don't have to use it. If the font seems too small, I can zoom in. I can make the whole thing, the article as I'm reading it, and put it back when I want to. Okay, scrolling down here. If I want to highlight something, I can highlight this section and highlight it. All right. When I go to answer my questions, I can only make one answer. It's multiple choice. So I mark it as so. There are also some tools here. I want to mark it for review to make sure that I come back and look at this one because I'm not so sure I got it right.